guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm shooting using the Google Pixel 7 Pro, which is my new phone. And right here we got the brand new G87 M2 in front of us. It's the first time seeing it in the flesh. And yes, this car gets a lot of hate at the moment only because of the way it looks and the proportions of the car compared to the F87 outgoing model. But in black, looks pretty good, I think. So it's got the carbon pack, similar to what my car has, but I don't really know. The way it looks on the side here, the way that the splat just goes all the way up, reminds me of like a end of a hockey stick. You know what I'm trying to say? Just there. Yeah, so first and foremost, guys, apologies, not the usual vlogging setup, only because I'm choosing this guerrilla style, you know. Not really sure whether I can record or not, but yeah, these will be just static shots of the new M2. So we just do this really quickly. From the get-go, from the looks of things, it definitely needs to be lowered 100%. You got some arch gaps that need filling up, especially as you can see, the gap is too much to be like an X3 M comp. Not really, but you get what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna try and park my M2 next to it quickly later on, so you guys can see different side by side. Guess the party piece, a bit Marmite to some, but I kind of like it. It's the quad exhaust, the way it looks unique like that. But yeah, in black, definitely does look alright. It's got the duck lift spoiler, which is a lot more aggressive than my own spoiler there. And yeah, gloss black rims, not sure what the code for these are. But yeah, this is new. This was definitely not on the F87. Carbon arches. But yeah, quite a well spec M2, I would say. Yeah, these are nice. Like the bronze in it. So yeah, just a quick shot of the interior here. Beautiful focus. There we go. Got the new iDrive system, and don't mind my reflection. Yeah, M seats, reminiscent of the 220 when I recorded in Goodwood. Definitely had those seats there. Yeah, cool wheel. Give you guys a side by side comparison. F87, G87. Which one are you taking? Definitely does make my car look old. Well, modern, obviously. Just a different design. But here it is, guys, side by side. Right, guys, we're now at a different dealership. First and foremost, UK doing UK things with the weather, but this is a different type of M2 now. Following on to what we saw earlier, which was on black sapphire, I believe the color. Here we are in Brooklyn Grey, again with the same sort of carbon at the front. Not zooming too much, carbon at the front. But this one's got the real spoiler, and I'm not sure if it's the same rims. I'll have a look at the clips, but it looks a lot better in grey actually now. I can't really decide whether the grey or black is what we like, but yeah, first impressions is growing on me the more I see it, to be honest with you guys. As you can see there with the spoiler, it looks pretty cool. Would much rather have this than a duck spoiler, I think. This was a manual. As you can see there, very nice manual. It's probably what I would spec this M2 with. So guys, just for closing remarks, what do I think of the new M2? I think it looks great in person. You definitely have to see one to know whether you like it or not. And at the moment, I'm gonna keep it to the I like it side. Of course, the main thing is to drive it. That's where you really will tell the difference between the G series chassis to the F87 that we are accustomed to. Stunning E90X M3 track spec, beautiful.